Human blood is categorized into different types based on specific markers called antigens. The two primary systems are the ABO system and the Rh factor system. The ABO system classifies blood into four major groups depending on A or B antigens' presence: A, B, AB, and O. Type A has A antigens and anti-B antibodies. Type B has B antigens and anti-A antibodies. Type AB has both antigens. Type O has none. Blood is also tested for the Rh protein. Rh positive indicates the protein is present, while Rh negative means it is absent. The 8 common blood types are A+, AB, AB+, AB+, O. Matching these is essential for safe transfusions. Universal red cell donor is O negative. Universal red cell recipient is AB positive. Universal plasma donor is AB. A+A can donate to A and B, fall. B+BB can donate to B and ABs. AB+ can O can donate to all types.